Good morning, y'all. Today is the day going to get that exhaust hopefully fully fabricated, and so the car can start learning. Let's do it. All right, so here's the plan, and obviously this being stainless, it's gonna have to be heat wrapped, but make the crossover pipe here 90 there, and then we'll be able to come off this end and back. We'll chop this flange off and then go converterless. So got Jerry getting the welder ready. So, real quick turn of events. Jerry and I are in there working on the Camaro, and I hear a hello guy walks in the garage, and I'm like, hey, what can I do for you? And he's like, oh, I see that red Ranger out in the field. I'm like, yeah. He goes, you want to sell it? And I'm like, yeah, why not? I was gonna post it anyway once we got closer to selling the house, or whenever in the heck that is. So we walked out the field, looked at it, and I mean, this was strictly a wood truck. I put O2 sensors on it because for whatever reason muffler man chopped them off and didn't put them back on, but so it ran like terrible. So $30 later, she was running good, and honestly, it's when I put it on the lift to do the job, everything's rotted out underneath. It's not roadworthy. So I told him that. I said all I did was use it from a wood truck to transport it from the field to the wood boiler. I'd never put it on the road again. He goes, well, would you take 300 bucks for it? So yeah, sure, why not? I mean, it's literally gonna sit, never gonna see the road again, besides for him to take it out of here. So yeah, but gonna get back to the exhaust now after I take my plate off. Real quick, here we got everything coming together, everything's tacked up, and then we'll figure out the rest here. Cut that flange off and be good. Well, everything is tacked up right now. We got the flange and then everything else, and this is all gonna get wrapped in heat wrap as well to keep the heat off of everything else around it. So next order of business is to take it out and fully weld it, I suppose. All right, here it is out of the car. Definitely see how the stock one was not gonna work after seeing how this thing's pieced together, but Jerry's gonna weld this thing all the way through. I'm gonna run down to the store and grab some heat wrap. And there goes the Ranger. Well, hopefully it makes it home wherever they're going, because I've never put gas in it and the gas gauge don't work. Oh well, anyway. Coming along nicely. All right, there she is. Heat wrap. I don't know how well it's gonna stay, but whatever. I'll add some more stuff to it, but yeah, all bolted up. I'm gonna have to move these lines out of the way a little bit, but it looks good. Time to bring her down and test fire it. Here we go. Huh? Yeah, she's actually sounds really good. Wow. Get a little RPM action out of her. Awesome. Woo. That sounds good. It does. All right, guys. Well, that's the end of this video. Next video is going to be this, taking this bad boy for its maiden voyage. Bad girl. Sorry, my cursor was girls. Yeah, and then, well, I just picked up more ATF on my way back from work, so it's gonna take 11, 12 quarts, I guess. My cousin said to fill that bad boy up, get her in gear, so that's what I'm gonna do. So next video, oh yeah, I can't wait to actually drive this thing, as long as it drives. Then I gotta get an air cleaner. Little tiny touch-up stuff, right? That's necessary. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until we meet again. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.